first generation student is very hard. We face a lot of challenges. It's not easy. And I feel like there's both bad things, but there's also good things, I feel like, in my opinion. Some bad things are that I can't really go to my parents for help because they didn't go to college. They actually didn't go to school at all. So they're new to all this. A lot of family don't really understand the challenges we face. But I feel like there's good things. Like, for example, some good things are that the three of us, my dad, my mom, and me, we're all learning at the same time. And they're there for me. So I feel like all that is a positive thing about being a first generation student, because I remember the first time I brought them to COD, they were so amazed by it. They were like, oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful school, it's so big. And that was my same reaction. So we're all learning at the same time. A lot of things motivated me to go to college. One of them being my career, my parents, my siblings. And I say my career because I want to do teaching of Spanish for secondary education. That requires a degree, it requires me to go to school, so that's one of the reasons why I'm here. I've loved every second of it. I love being at COD. It's an amazing school. The people here are amazing. And whenever I need help, I think they made it easier because they're so nice. They support me. So when I need help, I'm not scared to ask them for help because they help me. So I really appreciate all that. I would say don't give up on your dreams. Doesn't matter how hard it is, it's gonna be worth it at the end. Also, don't be scared to ask questions and don't be scared to ask for help. You know, I know a lot of people are so afraid to ask for help or questions, but don't be. The people here are very nice. They're gonna help you, and they're gonna give you advice, and they're gonna help you throughout the way. So just do it.